Base clock, 1582 MHz / boost clock, 1797 MHz. PNY factory overclocked. No additional software required. XLR8 dual fan cooler with red LEDs. Full-length anodized backplate. Compatibility-Microsoft Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Linux. FreeBSD x86. Internet connection. Free US-based technical support and backed by a 3-year warranty. Enjoy your supercharged gaming experience with PNY GTX 1066GB XLR8 OC Gaming Edition. Powered by the new NVIDIA Pascal architecture and optimized with PNY's dual-fan XLR8 cooler, now you can game faster, game silent. Take on today's most challenging, graphics-intensive games without missing a beat. The PNY GeForce GTX 1066GB XLR8 OC Gaming Edition graphics card delivers the incredible speed and power of NVIDIA Pascal, the most advanced GPU ever created. This means you can now enjoy truly game-changing performance with captivating sights and sounds, as well as next-generation VR performance. Base clock, 1582 MHz / boost clock, 1797 MHz PNY factory overclocked. No additional software required. XLR8 dual fan cooler with red LEDs. Full-length anodized backplate. Compatibility-Microsoft Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Linux. FreeBSD x86. Internet connection. Free US-based technical support and backed by